Today, the obesity epidemic has become a multifactorial issue. However, if you're looking to improve on your athletic performance, it doesn't hurt to put on a decent amount of natural muscle. For modern bodybuilders and athletes, adding muscle mass does help avoid bone and tendon tear related injuries, which are very prevalent in the world of athletics. And with that said, the most critical aspect of gaining mass is to consume more calories than what your body burns on a daily basis. Unfortunately, not everyone has the time to sit down the whole day consuming some large amounts of food. And that's where mass gainers come in. These healthy food supplements are an effective way to increase your daily calorie intake. Unlike your typical protein supplements, these high-calorie powders also provide your body with other essential nutrients, such as carbohydrates, fats, and amino acids with the aim of adding muscle mass. With so many other mass gainer products on the market, it's becoming increasingly hard to distinguish between what works and what doesn't. So to help make your buying decision easier, we've compiled a list of the 5 best mass gainer products on the market. Whether you're a professional athlete or an ectomorph looking to develop your physique before you start hitting the gym soon, we'll review the best products for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the mass gainers mentioned in this video, then we've included all the links in the description below. Now let's start. Our first mass gainer is the Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass Protein Powder. Packing a gargantuan 1,250 kcal per serving, this hardcore mass gainer comes bursting with calories to the seams and will supply your body with all the tools it needs to develop the physique and stack on the pounds. Inside, the formula comprises elements including protein blend, carbs, fat, creatine, glutamine, and 24 other vitamins and minerals. And to facilitate a moderate to slow protein release throughout the day, the Optimum Nutrition formula also features egg albumin whey, calcium caseinate, and even sweet dairy. Whipping your mass gainer mixture shake has never been this easy. Simply add a scoop of the powder into an electric blender and then add fresh fruits and nuts or other calorie-dense foods and let your body feast on a constant supply of good and healthy stuff all day long. One of the biggest issues for many mass gainers is their dense nature. As a result, they tend to lead to bloating and other gastrointestinal issues. To avoid this, the Optimum Nutrition formula contains pantothenic acid, which helps synthesize coenzymes and metabolize proteins for easier digestion. If you're a hard gainer looking for the ideal product to help you add some serious steak to the bone, the Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass Protein Powder will provide you with some serious weight gaining support. However, more isn't necessarily always better. Next on our list is the Dymatize Super Mass Gainer. This high-quality mass gainer product is the motherlode of proteins, calories, BCAAs, and other healthy nutrients that will help you pack on mass without having to track down huge amounts of solid food. Boasting an incredible 1,300 calories per serving, this formula is one of the most calorically dense products out there. You'll especially love the fact that a single serving packs 52 grams of protein and 251 grams of carbohydrates, which is pretty sufficient to push you throughout your exercise session. Along with that, you'll also receive huge doses of much-needed vitamins, minerals, and digestive enzymes for everyday well-being and health. The wide variety of Dymatize's flavors eliminates monotony as well as give you the freedom to alternate your ingredients and mixing formulas. What's more, the Dymatize Super Mass Gainer has amazing mixability and tastes delicious. You'll always be looking forward to your next shake. To sum up this review, the Dymatize Super Mass Gainer will help you reach your nutritional goals conveniently. It allows you to consume over 1,000 calories in a matter of seconds while the blend of carbohydrates, protein, minerals, and enzymes will ensure maximum growth. Still haven't found a mass gainer that meets your calorie intake needs? We'll keep watching because we still have more lined up for you. If this is the first time you're visiting the channel, then please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. Now let's continue. At number 3 on our list is the Body Fortress Super Advanced Mass Gainer. As the name suggests, this super advanced formula will literally turn your body into a fortress, thanks to the tons of helpful muscle growth elements. For starters, it comes with a wide range of flavors to choose from, ranging from basic flavors to more quirky ones. In terms of inclusions, the manufacturer has incorporated a surplus amount of calories and key nutrients, allowing the product to deliver in excess of 1,000 mass-building calories. Unlike whey proteins, a single serving of Body Fortress contains 60 grams of protein to cater to your nutritional need. The formula also offers a combo of L-glutamine and taurine, which are the two most abundant naturally occurring forms of amino acids found in human muscles. This blend of potent ingredients is important in not only giving added strength, but also helps in faster muscle recovery after high-intensity workouts. Unfortunately, the mixability of Body Fortress is a bit disappointing, as you need to use a shaker to ensure proper mixing. Additionally, you need to use a blender if you're considering making a smoothie. Overall, though, the Body Fortress Super Advanced Mass Gainer is an indispensable mass gainer that will deliver the expected results. And better yet, its low price tag has made mass gaining a reality for the people working with a low budget. At number 4 is the MassTech Mass Gainer Protein Powder. Designed for individuals in their building phase or having a tough time breaking through their strength plateaus, this superior formula provides 80 grams of protein, 156 grams of carbs, and up to 1,170 calories per serving when mixed with skim milk. Beyond these key ingredients, MassTech also packs additional ingredients, such as 3-gram glycine, 3-gram L-alanine, taurine, and amino acids. All these ingredients have been shown to facilitate faster glucose production, protein synthesis, and cell multiplication, which is what your body needs to achieve superior results. In terms of preparation, TechMass has excellent mixability and texture, so you won't have any digestion issues. To prepare a single serving, simply mix 5 scoops of the powder with 2 cups of skim milk or water and you're good to go. TechMass is one of the few mass gaining formulas on the market that are backed by human clinical studies and have been proven to actually work. Compound this with the manufacturer's 20+ years of success and you can rest knowing that the product will deliver superior results. Last on the list at number 5 is Universal Gain Fast. This powerful anabolic weight gaining formula from Universal is protein and carbohydrate rich, plus it's packed with anabolic gaining agents, all carefully designed to help in cellular growth. Universal's exclusive Get Big Quick formula will help you shatter the weight gaining barriers by providing your body with over 3,100 kcal per serving. While at it, the 150 grams of protein, 596 grams of carbohydrates, and 15 grams of fat will fuel your body, even in the most intense workouts, allowing you to add some quality mass. Along with that, Gain Fast incorporates enhanced anabolic boosters, muscle optimizers, natural plant sterols, EFAs, and digestive enzymes, so you'll always feel good from within. Go ahead and replace your solid meals with the Universal Gain Fast formula and still continue consuming tons of nutrition. So, there you have it, the top 5 mass gainers to cheat nature and add some serious stake to the frame. Whether you're a professional athlete or just an average Joe looking for a convenient way to consume more calories without eating, we hope you found our list helpful. If you found an interesting mass gainer, then click the links in the description box to catch it at a discounted price. We always look forward to seeing your suggestions and comments, so if there's a product that you have in mind that you'd love for us to review, then comment below in the comment section, and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Also, stay up to date with the latest happenings by tapping the bell icon, and become part of our growing community by subscribing to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time here on the ReviewTube channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.